Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ann and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I have a few DIYs that I want to share with you guys. I'm going to be repurposing and reusing, upcycling a few things that I have here at home. I have these three vases that are black right now. They've been painted white and I've also chalk painted them black. So I'm going to be repurposing these and creating a taller vase by adhering these two to this one. These came from Dollarama a few years ago. I just want to refresh my entryway table a little bit. I don't have everything that I have in mind that I want to refresh it with. But for now, we're going to start off with repurposing the vase and using it for now. I also have a few of my Crafters Decor Art acrylic paint. You can get these at Dollarama, Michael's, Walmart. They're $1.25 at Dollarama. And every time I go to Dollarama, I usually pick a few of these up because I tend to use them a lot. Sorry guys, that's my grandson. And then I have my paint brushes that I got from Dollarama. These come in a few different sizes. And I have this little piece here that I'm going to be using to either add the molding paste or the spackle to the vases. And what that is going to do is create a really nice texture. You can also use sandpaper to sand off a little bit of your molding paste or your spackle once it's dried. It just depends on how heavy textured you want your item to be. And I reuse my brushes a lot. I saran wrap them if I'm going to be using them to create another project, maybe like another day or whenever, or I'll just wash my brushes and just reuse them. They're like $1 something, but you can still wash them and reuse them. And then I have these two canvases from Dollarama that I did this craziness to that I don't like. So I'm going to be repurposing these and putting them over the sectional in that wall area over my sectional. And then from Amazon, guys, I have some sheepskin home decor chalk paint that I'll be using for the vases because I'll be painting them white. I have molding paste from Amazon. I'll link all of these things in my description box below. And I have this spackle that it goes on pink, but it actually dries white. So guys, let's go ahead and start these DIYs and see how they'll turn out. set aside my vases to allow them to dry properly before I go ahead and start painting them. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the molding paste to these canvases. You can add the spackle, but I think I want to hold on to the spackle because it's a small container, and I think these are 8 by 24 canvases. They're gonna take up probably the whole container, and I don't want to use it. And I like the texture that the molding paste gives. However, I'm only going to be using a little bit of this because I will be using some white acrylic paint after to add a little bit more brightness with the white paint on top of the molding paste. I'm gonna add like a really light layer to this. So guys, I don't have sandpaper to like smooth some of the rough edges after adding the spackle. And as you guys can see, it dries white even though it goes on pink. And it gives a really nice texture. So I'm gonna use my sponge, and I'm gonna use this kind of rough part of the sponge to just get rid of some of the. So you're just lightly going to do this and help to get rid of some of the rough edges. Like you see the bumpiness that it has there? It just kind of gently gets rid of some of it. So that's what I'm gonna do, just to smoothen it out a bit before I start adding my white chalk paint to it.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me.
Well guys, this is how my canvases turned out. I really like it. I wanted to do something a little different, and I've seen a lot of these types of canvas art, so I wanted to go ahead and make it. And I love the texture that I got from the spackle as well as from the molding paste. It looks really nice, and it's also a little different from the other abstract art that I shared with you guys for the dining room area. And I also recently shared with you how I refreshed this space. I did, however, switch out the black and white velvet pillows with the gold border that I had on the opposite ends of these beautiful textured white pillow covers. I got these a few years ago from Amazon. I have about 4 of them. And then I recently got these ones. I did have a set of these that I got from Amazon because they come in a set of 2 a few years ago when I lived back in my apartment, but I ended up giving that to my daughter, so I went ahead and I reordered another set. It's sort of like a nice silky pillow cover, really great quality, and it has all of these really nice pattern on, a really nice pattern on it that I love. And it's really hot here, so I just wanted to cool things down and make things a little eerie and relaxing here in my home. So as you guys know, I love my black and white aesthetics, so I just, you know, ended up adding these pillow covers. I shared the refresh, like I said, of this living room in a previous video. And then this one was a 16 by 24, and this also came from Amazon. I love this pillow cover. It's plush, it's soft, and the ratings on this is crazy. I will leave the links to these in my description box down below if you're interested. I purchased these years ago, so I'll just leave a link to white pillow covers. I don't know if you'll be able to find them because, like I said, I got those years and years ago, and I don't even know if it's still available in my orders on my Amazon page. But yeah, I love these pillow covers. They look really pretty, and I love how the art looks. It goes really nice with everything else that I've decorated and styled here in the living room. And if you missed this video, guys, like I said, it will be linked in an iCard. And now I'm going to share with you guys how my entryway refresh looks. Well guys, this is how the entryway turned out. I love it. It's fresh, light, and airy because it's still really hot here right now. So yeah, so I love how this vase turned out, and I only ended up adding 1 of the small little vases, but I love the texture. It has like that crate and barrel, you know, H&M sort of finish to it, which I love. And then I added these beautiful greenery from Amazon that I purchased a while back, and they have like these cute little olives on the tips of them. This is a DIY bowl I shared for the bookshelf. I decided to add it here because I don't have anything that I can add for the moment, but I do want to go out and check out HomeSense and Winners, which if you guys are interested in coming along with me and seeing what sort of home decor accent pieces they have at HomeSense and Winners, let me know in the comment section. And then I added this silver candelabra that I got last year Christmas from Winners with these white Dollarama candles. The chain came from Amazon, and the bowls came from HomeSense a few years ago. And then my lamp is from HomeSense. I have the other one over there. And then this Starburst mirror was recently over my bed, and then I decided to add it here and remove the small little canvas abstract art that I made for here because I added the black and white ones on the opposite side. So I didn't want to have canvas art on both opposite sides of the wall. So the mirror looks really cute, and it also brings in a little bit of light from the back entry in my kitchen area. I added some books, and then this cute decor piece, I guess you can call it like a glasses. It's a metal glass. A lot of people have them. And then I just borrowed these from my daughter's bookshelf, my lantern, and I love how the area turned out. Let me know what you guys think of my entryway and how I've lightened and refreshed it and given it that really nice airy look in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed these upcycle, reuse, DIY projects that I shared with you in today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you for watching. Thank you for all of your love and support. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy these types of video, please share and please like and share them with your friends and family. It'll give them some tips. I hope this video has also given you some tips and ideas to do the same. Just reuse and upcycle and DIY things that you already have to refresh a space in your home. So if you enjoy these types of videos, decorating, cleaning, organizing, and more, subscribe, become part of the family here on Glam Designs by Anne. And don't forget to tap your notification bell. That way you'll get alerts each and every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.